Welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to construct a regular pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon all together simultaneously on, let's say, a line of 50 millimeter. So let's draw a random line. We have a line that is just drawn randomly like this. Let's try to make it soft as possible. So then we have this line and then we measure 5 centimeter, which is equivalent to 50 millimeter. We measure 5 centimeter on the line, 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, and then we tag that point A and point B. So now we have our point A and our point B. We are going to be drawing our triangles first. So now drawing our triangles, first of all, we take our 30-60 degree set square, which is this long one. So we take our 30-60 degree set square, we take it and draw a soft line up here like this, and then on the other side also like this. So we do that for our 30-60 degree, and then we also do for 45 degree. We do for our 45 degree from B, 45 degree on both sides. So now that we have done for 60 and 45 degree, then we draw a straight line up. The line is going to be long because we are going to be needing it. So the line that captures both this 60 and this 45 all together, this 60 and this 45 all together is what we need. So we capture that line, we try to make it as stealthy as possible. So now that we have captured the line, up there, we try to get for the center between here and here. So now getting the center, we are going to be using bisection of a line. We bisect from here to here. We just make it a little bit longer and we create our arc on both sides. So right here, we get our line from here where it meets at this point. So now this point here would be the number 5, then this here will be like the number, this one will be like number 6 also. So having this as our number 5 and this as our number 6, we are going to take the measurement of that unknown distance between number 5 and number 6. So this is number 5 here, this is number 6 here. This is the unknown distance. We take it from 6 right here, and then we hold our compass and mark it on the straight line. We mark it there. We have number 7. Here we have number 8. We have number 9 here. We have number let's say we want to stop it at number 9. So we are going to be having pentagon to nonagon. So now mind you that these numbers that are here are the number of shapes that you get in the circle that we are going to be using. So we have 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 then 8, we have 9. We can ask you to do more than 9, more than a nonagon. You know that you are going to continue taking more measurements to the up. So now that we have gotten these angles right here, we are going to be drawing our circle with respect to the original line of A and B. So now let me take my compass. For the pentagon, I'll be picking it from 5 right here to B of A, B or A. That is point B here or point A, because they will actually give you the same thing from that point 5. So now from point 5 here, I'll be drawing my circle very light. I will draw my circle from point 5 there, and then I'll go to point 6 again, extend my pencil down to B right here. While I extend my pencil down to B, I draw my circle again. I come to 7. From 7 I take it down to B. From 7 I take it down to B. I have that circle right there. Then from 8 I take it down to B. Then I have that circle right there. I also do for my number 9 also. And for my number 9, I take it round. So now I've drawn the 5 circles that we are going to be needing. So now I have drawn the 5 circles that we are going to be needing, and I try to make them as light as possible. So now, since I have drawn it, then I come back and take my 5 centimeter point A here, from point A here to point B, or I just take my ruler and I try to measure out 5 centimeter in order not to make any mistakes at all. So I measure my 5 centimeter here. Then from any point, let's say from my point B here, I can try to mark like the whole circle here, because I will need it for the other ones. And then from point A here, I'll mark the whole circle. So now I'm supposed to mark only this inner circle, but I'm trying to make it a little bit easier here. So now from this whole circle that I have marked it, I will take my ruler from point B. This one is going to be thick. You are going to be needing thickness for this. So from point B to the point at which that arc touch the circle, this point here, at which the arc touch the circle, I'm drawing it to there. Then from that arc to the center which the circle touch the straight line, I'm drawing it there. So now from there, I'm drawing it from here to where it touch, the arc touch the circle, and from where the arc touch the circle back to A. So right here, I have my pentagon with me. So now after my pentagon, I continue on to my hexagon with the same 5 centimeter distance that is between A and B right here. From A, I've marked it here already. So now from this place which I have marked on the circle, I will mark it right here very lightly. Then I come to this other side of the circle too, which I marked. Then I'll mark it right here. And I continue to draw. I continue to draw. I continue to draw straight line, and then I continue again from here I come here. From here also, I come here. From here, I mark it here. And from right there, I come back to B. So I have drawn my hexagon. That is how I'm going to continue drawing all the shapes consecutively. So now let me continue for my heptagon. For my heptagon, from the point at which I mark from A here, I marked the third line here. Now from this third line which I marked here, I'm going to be marking it up here again. So now that one is okay for the heptagon. Then from here, in this other side of the circle, I mark it up here again. That one is okay for the heptagon also. So then I start drawing my heptagon from point A to the place where the arc meets the circle, to here, to here, to here, to here, to here, down back to B. So right here I have my heptagon with me. I continue with my octagon. I continue with my 5 centimeter. Make sure that this compass does not shake. So with my octagon, I continue that way. I mark it here, and this one I will have to mark it one more upward. So on this other side too, I mark it here, and I mark one more upward. So after doing this, I draw my heptagon, my octagon from here to here, then from here to this point here, from here to this point here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. We are from here back to B. So that is my octagon, and I do for the last one, which is my decagon. Now for my decagon, I'm using my same 5 centimeter. I can try and confirm it here. It's still 5 centimeter. So from my A to where it was marked here. I pick that mark there. I go again one. I go again two. I will stop here because from here to that center would actually be the same thing. So now from here it's going to be stopping here. Then from there I'll move again. From there I move again, and from there I don't think it does not need to move again. So this is how it will be. So I just continue. I proceed to do my drawings. I drag it down from here to this point right here, from here to this point right here, from here to this point right here, from here to here. We have this. And we take it back to B. So now we have already successfully done our pentagon and hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and nonagon in a single file. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much.